We're in room 113 at Robson Hall. This space used to be a storage locker, but luckily and thankfully we received funding from Kerry Vickar to redesign the space into our business law clinic and a mini law firm at the University of Manitoba. We wanted to reimagine this space into a usable space for students based on what a law firm looks like and feels like. And so in the space we have private offices where students can do work with clients in the clinics. We have boardrooms where we can meet together as a clinical staff with students. We have an open common area where students can meet and discuss client matters and school matters, and we have privacy pods for taking phone calls and video calls with our clients. Before we reimagined the space, there was nothing like these pieces of technology at Robson Hall. We believe that this type of equipment provides students with a rare opportunity to work on their legal skills prior to entering the legal workforce, and allows them to get used to these kinds of technologies and this kind of work atmosphere, and helps launch their new legal career. I think this space showcases the opportunity we have to reimagine and rethink spaces that we currently have and what uses they could be put to. The change in purposes of this space has been incredible and is going to provide students with an amazing environment to learn and work in, and also inspire them for the future.